Hi, my name is Jerry Smith. I'm a professor at Boston College, and I'll be speaking at the upcoming PPS conference in April. I'm going to talk with you about the findings from my latest book, Getting Price Right, The Behavioral Economics of Profitable Pricing. Ask yourself this question: how does pricing get done around here? I'm going to talk with you about the behavioral economics of price setting in your company or in any company. If you've never heard of behavioral economics before, then you need to know what it is. It is when people do things that are seemingly perfectly rational, but in fact are irrational. These are hidden biases that cause your pricing to miss the mark, to be ineffective, and to be less profitable than it should be. So I look forward to talking with you about the behavioral economics of price setting. It's fascinating stuff, and I think you'll enjoy it. I look forward to seeing you in April.